Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back. It is Monday, January 8th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We are at 30 degrees in Michigan, finally. But it was snowing last night, but not too long. But man, past week was brutal. Here comes a cut. And this is from VoltaCharger.com. Check them out. The link's going to be down below. Really good people. Great customer service. There we go. Cut. And they have to offer us what do we have here? Alright. We got some, can you see? There we go. Volta, the world's strongest cross-device magnetic cable. Oh, these are sweet. I've seen these. These are nice. I will show you in a second. Get right inside one. Boom. USB. Go. That's a nice cord. If you guys can see it. Boom. Look at that. Nicely made. Feels good too. Here, come on, camera. It's kind of jumpy. Here we go. And oh, this sucks. Come on. There we go. There we go, finally. Got it. There's a magnet part right there. I want to see if it connects to my phone. How's this work? Something fly out? Not sure this is missing a piece or connects to something. So it doesn't connect to my phone. I'm not sure. Let me check the other one. Oh, here's a one piece. Here we go. Oh, that's why it was magnet. Hear that? Click. Bam. Alright. Now this is going to be nice. Alright, I see what these do. Sorry about that, YouTube. I'm like, what is going on? I knew there was another piece to it. But these are beast. The magnet. Right there. All I gotta do. Whoa. You guys see that? That is trippy. I think it fits my Galaxy 8. Nope, not that one. Okay, there's another one too. So it comes with two of them. This one. Also. I think this might fit the iPhones maybe. Tip A, tip B. And that was cool. I want to show that again. Strong magnet. You guys seen that action? Watch this. Whoa. Ha. It's like using Jedi mind tricks. Bam. Alright. That was cool. Like I said, you guys could get one at a low cost. And I'm going to try the other one. Let me open this one. I'm hoping this is the Galaxy 8, but I'm thinking it's for iPhone. That clip reminds me of it. one more time for the road. And hopefully you guys have a good day. You guys stay safe. Boom. That was cool. So get one at a low cost, YouTube. Check them out if you guys have some time. Boom. I like. Yeah, this is iPhone. Yep. Boom. That is definitely the iPhone. That is really nifty. Good creation. Boom. You don't have to worry about bending the inside of your phone. So, alright, YouTubers. Oh, I got the black one still. Check this one out. We got the two. Alright. Here's the black one. Volta. Charge.com. Boom, I like the black one. Oh man. We're gonna do the black one in action. Hold on one sec. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, this one fits perfectly. Awesome. Alright, that fits. Alright, YouTube, you guys can get one at low cost. Click the link below. And that's about it. You guys be safe and see ya.